Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we want to talk about one topic in organic chemistry, which is alcohol. Next, I want to introduce to our group members, which are Naadhiroh, Binti, MH, Mohammed, Sharif, and Amanina, Binti, Zuraidi.
First of all, I want to introduce to one organic compound, which is alcohol. Alcohol is non-hydrocarbon compound because it contains oxygen atom. Alcohol is organic compound with hydroxyl functional group OH, contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atom. The general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus OH, where N is equal to number of carbon atom, such as 1, 2, 3, or N others. Alcohol commonly used as sweeteners and in the production of perfume. Alcohol also play a crucial role as intermediate in the synthesis of various other compounds. In industry, they are among the most abundantly produced organic chemicals. The example of alcohol is methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, and others. Okay, now let's go to the next slide, which is about application of alcohol in industry.
Firstly, we go to use of alcohol in pharmaceutical industry. Alcohol is used in the pharmaceutical industry and in variety of manufacturing process. The most often used alcohol in pharmaceutical industry is ethanol. Ethanol is an essential ingredient in many pharmaceutical products, including medicine, vaccine, and disinfectants. Ethanol have two key roles in the pharmaceutical industry, which are as a solvent and as a preservative. As a solvent, ethanol diffuses active pharmaceutical ingredients, making them easier to administer and more effective. It serves as a preservative in vaccines and other injectable medication, where it helps to prevent contamination by bacteria and other microorganisms. Next, we go for mechanism for synthesis of ethanol. Ethanol can be synthesized by the hydration of ethene. Ethene react with water with the H2SO4 sulfuric acid as a catalyst will produce ethanol. First, the pi bond from ethene acts as nucleophile and attack the hydrogen atom and sulfuric acid, form ethylium and hydrogen sulfate. Next, lone pair from water attack the carbocation, form ethyloxonium. And the last process, hydrogen sulfate attack ethyloxonium to form ethanol. Alcohol also used in cosmetic industry. Alcohol present in many categories of hair, cosmetic, and hygiene products such as hair styling products, foundation, perfume, and deodorants. Propylene glycol, which is 1,2-propanediol, is one example of alcohol used in cosmetic industry. Propylene glycol in skincare has hydrating properties as it draws water from the skin and brings it to the outer layer to make the skin look healthier and more supple. Further, it can increase the shelf life of skincare products because of its antimicrobial properties that prevent the growth of microorganisms. Apart from that, propylene glycol products are also anti-aging. Propylene glycol in cosmetic product helps retain moisture in the skin and avoid makeup appear too cakey. It also helps in reducing the thickness of the product and aid in even application. Next is mechanism for synthesis of 1,2-propanediol. Hydrolysis of propylene oxide takes place readily at room temperature when catalyzed by sulfuric acid. Propylene oxide react with water and H2SO4 as a catalyst will produce 1,2-propanediol.
The last application of alcohol in industry is for fuels. Alcohol fuels offer a renewable and cleaner burning alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Alcohol also can be made from natural energy sources such as biomass and is available at low cost. Alcohol also have higher rating that can increase power and fuel efficiency compared to gasoline. Last but not least, alcohol have a lower evaporative emission and can decrease the release of toxic gases into the environment. So, this is how bioethanol production process. First of all, we use fermentation process. In the fermentation process, glucose are fermented by bacteria to produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. When we got the ethanol and carbon dioxide, we will undergo to the distillation process. In distillation process, we use this process to separate ethanol from water and other components. When we already separate ethanol from water and other components, we go to dehydration process, which is to obtain pure grade ethanol. In this process, we also want to remove the remaining water from the distillation process. Next, we go to the denaturation process, where we need to adding a small amount of gasoline to make it undrinkable. Last but not least is for distribution process, where its final product is distributed to fuel.
Lastly, this is the reference that we got from the internet according to this topic. That's all from us. Thank you.